Hey guys, I just got my very first order in from CardStock Shop. So I'm super excited. I found this place through Andrina's Creations. She has it in her description. She lists her favorite cardstock. She uses a lot of cardstock, so I trust her. There's a ding there. There's a ding there. Never ordered it from them before, so let's hope everything looks good. Scissors are terrible. There we go. Oh, they put these in there. That's nice. Keep the corners safe and protected. Like. I don't know if y'all can read that. That is too cute. Oh, we got a little sample packet. So everything is all bundled up. I don't call them craft supplies. I call them emotional support tools. That is so true. Okay. Let me get these out. Oh, I'm so happy with that white. Bright White Glitter Luxe 15 pack. 12 by 12. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It is white. I'm super happy with that. That's what I wanted. I have so much trouble finding it in a 12 by 12. Oh, and I love the Burgundy Glitter Luxe. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Gorgeous. Hope that's... I can't tell. Okay, it's a bright orange. I think it's pretty close, but it may be lighter. Let me look a bit lighter. This is one I made recently, so it's not quite the same orange. Very close though. Let's see. Yeah, slightly different. It's a little bit lighter. Not quite as orange. And I did get a 15 pack of that. I mean, this is a fine orange, but I'm making several cutouts for this customer, and so now these don't match. That's the only thing I'm concerned about. These are a deeper orange. And those are going to be a lighter. Love, I mean, this will work for all my schools. It's just that since I've already made her some cutouts, I was hoping that it would be close. I'm probably going to have to go to Hobby Lobby and get a few more sheets of that just so hers all match. I am so in love with that burgundy. It's definitely on the redder side of burgundy instead of the purple side. I'm so in love with the white. Okay, what do I have here? It looks like a variety of stuff. Love that they bag them up. I do not remember what all I got. Okay, do they say? Oh, they don't. How am I supposed to know what I got? Okay, I know one was like copper penny. Let me open up this one. It has a packing slip in it. So I have a Gold Touch Merry Sparkle No Mess glitter paper. Oh no, that's this one right here. That's 8.5 by 11. Here's my little sample. That's this one. Okay, it's definitely thinner, but it is like, and you can feel the glitter, but it's a no mess. And that's definitely more of the champagne, so this will go good with the softer gold. It's very thin, so I'll have to back it up with something else. Okay, we have Brass Gold Glitter Luxe cardstock on pour paper. Gold Coins Glitter Luxe cardstock. So I got one of each, and I don't know which one's which. How am I supposed to know which one's which? They are nice and thick. I would say this is the brass, and this was the gold coins. That's just my guess. Could be wrong. Okay, I got neon yellow, so I'm thinking for softballs or even tennis balls. That would definitely work for that. I did get a Summer Sun. These are all Luxe too, glitter Luxe. So this Summer Sun, I'm sorry, not sunflower. Summer Sun Glitter Luxe. I just got one of those for like the deeper yellow. Wasn't sure what it would look like, but that works. Okay. This is probably going to be Cobalt Blue. There are two of them. Mermaid Teal. Two of those. I think these were on sale. So pretty. I don't know what I'll use them for, but it was so pretty I couldn't say no. Emerald Glitter Luxe. Okay, it looks like these are in order, so I was right. It was brass. That one is brass gold, and this one is gold coins. Because so far they're in order, so that helps. Two of those. Those are a great green there. Neon green. This is another option for tennis balls. So I could definitely use the neon yellow more for the softballs. And some people even like the more neon green for softballs, but usually the yellow. So I wanted to get some different colors to hopefully work for different sports balls. Okay, this is Kelly Green. It's definitely a different green than that one. Look at that. It's a deeper green. It almost has teal in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if that'll work or not with our school color, you know, with the different school colors, but we'll see. I wanted to sample. Oh, here's some different orange. What is this? Oh, this is neon orange. I got a couple. See, I couldn't decide which orange I wanted. Forgot about that. No, it's still not the same. This one is still deeper. And it's not much different. Let me see here. So this is neon orange, and that is tangerine. There's not much difference at all. A little bit brighter, I guess. I don't know, but it's still lighter than this one. So I'll have to send her a picture and show her. I've been waiting for this too to finish her order. Okay, this is Vampire Red. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Definitely a deeper red. It almost has a gold in it. I don't think it does, but it doesn't have gold in it, I don't think, but it almost feels like it does. I don't know if that makes sense. This is a very deep, rich red. I love it. Definitely good for crimson and stuff like that. Okay, that's all of those. Maybe try to put those back in there. So I can sort through everything. Yeah, I'm in love with that Vampire Red. It's going to be too dark for most reds, but you know, some of these colors I wanted to try, and if I use them for birthday cards or stuff like that, cake toppers. Alright, let's take everything out of here and see what we got. So I did order some chipboard? I thought it was chipboard. Maybe it's a cardboard because it's very heavy. These are the no mess. I can tell by the way they feel. So this has to be the Twilight. It's pretty thin too, just like that other one. It's almost see-through in a way. So it's not really navy. I was trying to figure out what it was. I feel like it looks best with the Columbia blue. Pearlescent cardstock, 2 of 2. So it's just a gold, like kind of pearlized looking. So that'll be something different. They're not super thin. They're double-sided too. I thought that was strange. I didn't know if that was going to cause any issues with trying to glue it together, but I wanted to play around with it. Now this is the platinum of the same as that, and I got 2 of those. Again, it's double-sided. Oh, I was trying to find that gold touch. I already opened that one. I don't remember what it was. And that only came in at 8.5 by 11, so that's the gold touch one. Definitely good for the soft gold. Like I said, it's pretty thin though. Okay, this is going to be gunmetal mirror foil board, 12 by 12 reflective cardstock. I only got 1 of those, but isn't that super cool? I love adding layers like this to the guys' mums, you know, ones that aren't glittery, just to kind of change them up and make them less girly. Okay, this one is jaded. So I wanted to see what color green that was, and it's glitter silk cardstock. I don't know what that means. It would work with the emerald and Kelly green ribbons. This is silver pow glitter paper, 12 by 12 recollections second. So it's like something like just a little something wrong with them. Okay, bent, and yeah, see how they're just bent in the corner? I didn't care about that. These are more expensive cardstock too, so they were still like $1.50 or something a sheet, even messed up. This looks like the kind that's not a non-mess too. Supposed to be a ruby red after the jaded, and I did not see that, so I don't know where that is. There's a baby words. I don't see that one. Okay, so 2 missing, maybe in a different location. Now we've got rose gold mirror foil board. This is the specialty cardstock. It's also a second, so I think it has like a little smudge or something on it. That one's bent just a little bit. That one's bent just a little bit. If that's all that's wrong with them, I'm fine with that. But they give me a little something different for the rose gold. Okay, here's the baby words. I couldn't resist this. It was on clearance. It's like 50 cents or something. But if I do anything baby, so cute. It's like textured, and then some of it is kind of glossy looking. If I do any baby stuff, I thought that would be cute. Okay, this is the ruby red. There's 3 of them. Look at that pretty red. Isn't that gorgeous? I can find a red. There's the red luster right there. I think that's, no, that's acetate. It's a red acetate. I don't have any red luster up there. Okay, this is lavender fusion. I got 2 lavender fusions because I got the lavender acetate. Acetate. Yes, that's going to be gorgeous. Lavender fusion glitter luxe. Now this one is violet, and I got 2 of those too because I wasn't sure which one would look best. So this one's just a little bit darker. You could use either one and you'd be fine. Which I have some purples, but I just wanted to try their colors and see what they all look like. Here's a royal purple, 2 of those. You know, for the darker, like the new violet. Definitely goes good with the new violet. Let me look at the purple. Purple matches perfectly. This looks like it's similar, same as the other purples. Here's one. Yeah, those match perfectly. Okay, now we've got raspberry. Only got 1 raspberry. Wasn't sure what it would look like. That's pretty. Here's a hot pink. Can you see that? Here's the hot pink acetate. So you could definitely use that with the hot pink. And then I also got a Diva pink. I got 2 of those. This reminds me of like a bubble gum, but it also has hot pink in it. Oh yeah, that definitely works for that too. Yay, because last year the Hobby Lobby and Michaels ones, I had such a hard time finding some that matched like these hot, you know, these different pinks. This one is fuchsia. I got 2 of those. So they're more on, you know, like the purple side. But so I don't think I'll use those on Mom's, but I'll definitely use these on somebody's birthday cards or something. This is baby pink. It's a little bit darker than the regular pink acetate, but it will go with it really well. And then I got neon pink too. See, I was trying all these pinks. I don't know if I got all of them, but I feel like you could use that one as well. You could even layer some of these, you know, because there was a pink one I did last year, and I did both the more hot pink and the light pink. And then last one is gunmetal gray glitter luxe. I only got 1 of those. Like more like a pewter. I like to use that too on, you know, like the senior mums where you're doing silver and white, because the white really pops on that. So it looks like I got everything. Everything looks good. Like, I don't know what that means. Is that like a theme? So there's 3 pieces. It's really thick and it's double-sided. It's got a weird feeling to it. But neat little sample pack. There, that's better. Here it is. So excited about that burgundy. This I wish was darker, but it still will work really well. It actually reminds me of the old orange I used to get at a Hobby Lobby that they quit. They also had the darker oranges like this one, but to me that's more of like a Texas orange. Like the, you know, almost pumpkin, and I don't like that for the school colors. It's too deep. Let me see if I see a little piece of it. See, this was the stuff I used to get from Hobby Lobby, and it's very close to it. So it looks like I'll be going back to a lighter orange. Orange glitter is just one of those things that you can't get really great colors. That one is a little bit darker, so neon will probably be the one I get from now on. But this is what I'll be using this season. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll try to put a link in the description to them, but you can just also Google CardStock Shop. Is that what it's called? CardStock Shop. CardStock, one word, and then shop. Even though CardStock is 2 separate words, they want their business to be CardStock Shop. Makes sense. Easy to find too. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Please be kind with those comments. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Happy mom making, happy crafting.